The Directorate General of Civil Aviation has now officially confirmed that Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister and NCP leader Ajit Pawar has died in this aircraft crash during landing at Baramati Airport. There are no survivors being reported by the DGC at this point as far as this accident is concerned. Supriya Sule, we are told, meanwhile, and Ajit Pawar's wife Sunetra are rushing to Baramati from New Delhi. Radhika Ramaswamy and Abhishek Avasthi also tracking the latest. Radhika, we're given to understand Ajit Pawar's wife and Supriya Sule have left for Baramati as these emergency and security agencies responded at the site, and the DGCA has confirmed that Ajit Pawar is no more. All right, before we go across to Radhika Ramaswamy, let's go across to Tejashree, who joins us live from Supriya Sule's residence in the national capital at this point. Tragic news coming in, Tejashree. Ajit Pawar has lost his life. We're given to understand his wife Sunetra and Supriya Sule have left for Baramati.
Well, you see, currently we are just standing outside the residence of Sharad Pawar, and inside is the family members of Ajit Pawar, and we'll be showing you the visuals as well. What we are getting to know is, as if now here Supriya Sule is present, Sunetra Pawar, the wife of Ajit Pawar, Parth Pawar, the son of Ajit Pawar, they all are present over here. And just some time back, BJP MP Nishikant Dubey has also arrived over here at the residence of Sharad Pawar, where they are meeting. As if now Supriya Sule as well, budget session was going to start, and that's why Supriya Sule was here. But what we are also being told is that Supriya Sule, Sunetra Pawar and Partha Pawar now will be leaving any time for Baramati. We'll keep on showing you the visuals. These are the residence visuals of Sharad Pawar that we are giving you from 6th Janpath, and inside visuals also we'll be giving you so as to show that at any point of time now the family members of Ajit Pawar will be leaving. We'll zoom in and show the inside visuals as well, because what we are getting to know is that the leaders from several political parties have also started coming over here to meet, and some more leaders have come over here to meet, and we'll just try to get a first reaction over here outside the residence of Sharad Pawar, and just listen.
मला काय माहिती मिळाली आता? पुढे लागेल.
मी पर टीव्हीवरच बघितलेलं आहे. मला आता सध्या काय माहित नाहीये. टीव्हीवर बघितले, मी आता आतमध्ये जाऊन बघते काय आहे. हो, जाणार आहे.
ताई मराठीमध्ये अजित पवारांचं निधन झालं असं कळतंय, काय माहिती आहे?
मला काहीच माहिती नाही. मला आताच टीव्हीवरती कळलं आणि मी डायरेक्ट इथे आले.
ओके, काही माहिती आहे आपल्याकडे मॅडम?
नाही, कोणाशी बोलणं झालेलं नाहीये. आता मी डायरेक्ट इथे आले. आता बघते आतमध्ये काय.
सुनेत्राताई आणि पार्थ आतमध्ये आहे.
जी, मी भेटते जाऊ.
ओके, चालेल.
Fawzia Khan was telling, that she is going to meet the family members right now, and then she will be getting to know so that what is happening over here. These are the visuals of Fawzia Khan, who is the leader of NCP. She was also here, to attend the budget session, and all the leaders one by one will be coming over here. The security also in some time from now will be increased at the residence of Sharad Pawar, from where we are reporting right now. That was Fawzia Khan who told that she will be meeting Supriya Sule, but as of now she has no information so as to how this entire incident transpired. Once again we'll be showing you the visuals of the residence of Sharad Pawar, where in some time from now more leaders will also come to meet Supriya Sule and Sunetra Pawar and Partha Pawar as well. What we are also being told is all these family members in some time from now will be leaving for Baramati. This is the information. And also apart from this, what we are getting to know that there were 5 individuals who were on board, out of which 2 were the crews, and also in fact the OSD and PSO of Ajit Pawar was also there in the same plane. This is the information, the latest information that we are picking up. As of now, from the location from we are reporting right now, that is the residence of Sharad Pawar. And also, in fact, we did see Supriya Sule some time back. Definitely, she was not in the condition to speak as if now. She has been saying that everything will be briefed in some time from now when they will be getting information of the aircraft which had witnessed this air crash and which is crashed, in fact, and it is listed as a private actively flying business jet is what we are getting to know. And also now in some time from now, more BJP leaders, the ministers, the NCP leaders particularly will be coming over here to meet Supriya Sule. Back to you.
Track all the action outside Mr. Pawar's residence with you, Tejshri. This is in the national capital. This is the moment of shock for Maharashtra politics and the nation. Further details are awaited, but the Director General of Civil Aviation, the DGCA, has officially confirmed that Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister and NCP leader Ajit Pawar has died in the aircraft crash during landing at Baramati Airport. Several others were on board the aircraft. Details of casualties and injuries are still being compiled. The passenger manifest is awaited. Saurabh Gupta is also with us at this point. Saurabh, has the Maharashtra government now... All right, I'm told we're just getting in touch with Saurabh Gupta. Abhishek Awasthi is here with us meanwhile. Abhishek, while we have a statement coming in from DGCA, has the Maharashtra government now issued a formal statement or any condolence message?
Definitely, as of now, as we speak, still now, no official confirmation or any official message from the state government of Maharashtra or from the local administration of Baramati is out. But at the same time, what we understand after the DGCA confirming that 5 members on board, including the crew, that makes 6 on board, have been declared brought dead. So definitely.
Pause for a quick moment. We have a reaction coming in from Arvind Sawant at the moment. Let's just listen in.
तो खुले थे कि भाई जो होने वाला है मैं हाँ बोलूँगा तो करूँगा, मतलब करूँगा। और बोल्ड, बहुत बोल्ड थे। महाराष्ट्र के खास करके उनके बारामती क्षेत्र की प्रगति में उनका आदरणीय शरद पवार साहब के आशीर्वाद से बहुत बड़ा योगदान था। पूरा पवार परिवार आज व्यथित होगा। हम उनके दुख में सहयोगी और भावपूर्ण श्रद्धांजलि व्यक्त करते हैं।
बिल्कुल बोल्ड थे वो, एक जो नतीजे लेते थे और अपने जो वादे थे वो पूरे करते थे। जिस तरीके से वो एक जनता के बीच में रहते थे और आज सुबह सुबह वो बारामती जा रहे थे। और
वही तो दुख की बात है ना कि मैंने अभी कहा आपको, एक बार जबान दी उस वाला वैसे आदमी थे वो। मुझे याद आता है मैंने गाँव में जब आदरणीय उद्धव जी साहब के हाथ से शुभास थे एक छोटा सा डैम रिजर्वायर बनाने की प्रयास किया तो उसको मान्यता मिली, पैसे की उपलब्धि चाहिए थी तो हफ्ते में देने की आदत होती ना सरकार की। मैंने उनसे कहा फिर काम नहीं होगा, ये और लटकेगा, ज्यादा नहीं है, 30, 35, 40 लाख तक है, पूरी अमाउंट दे दो ताकि लोगों को जो किसान अपनी जमीन देता है उसको वक्त पे पैसे मिलेगा। मुझे हाँ कह दिया और पैसा दे दिया। आज बहुत दुखी हूँ मैं, बहुत दुखी हूँ। मुझे हम कभी ऐसी राजनीति नहीं खेलते। ये जो दुश्मनी वाली राजनीति देश में पैदा हुई है ना, वो नहीं है हमारे पास। और परिवार पे भी बहुत महासंकट है भी है, पार्टी पे भी है। ऐसी स्थिति में उनके साथ में, उनके परिवार के साथ में श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करता हूँ।